Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, we're about to do a full wash day to remove all this dirt and product buildup in my hair, because at this point it's just embarrassing and my hair is in dire need of some conditioning and some hydration boost. So today's video is sponsored by The Main Choice, and we'll be using their H2O Hydration Therapy collection. Now, the first step in our wash day is the H2O Hydration Therapy Deep Cleansing Shampoo, and this provides a deep, gentle cleanse to remove excess oil, dirt, and pollution. Now, as you guys can see, like, the product buildup was real bad in the front because of all that extra edge control that I used in my hair. So I'm just gonna work the product into my hair, making sure I get the scalp, because you know we got to massage the scalp. Make sure you're getting in the roots. All that buildup needs to go. And so instead of doing my hair in 4 sections, I opted to just go through my hair little by little, because we need to make sure that we're getting to them roots. Now for step 2 in our wash day, we'll be using the H2O Hydration Therapy Scalp Toning Micellar Water. Now this product is fairly new to me, and girl, I am hooked. I am hooked on this product because this product is a scalp toner. It provides additional boost for clean and well-maintained scalp. And as you saw, I was focusing on the front because the product buildup is real, and I need to make sure that I'm getting that extra clean. And when I say I get that extra clean, once I was done, I'm like, yes, girl, I feel it. Like, it felt like a brand new scalp. My scalp was cleared of all products, and I'm like, yes to the additional boost to my wash day. Like, this is a product that I didn't even know I needed in my life, because love it. For step 3, we're going to go in with the H2O Hydration Therapy Moisturizing Conditioner. Now, this conditioner helps detangle, nourish, and moisturize your hair while increasing the shine. Once my hair was done being cleansed, we needed to add back that hydration, add back that moisture, add back that shine. And when I say this product went a long way, like, look how lathering the product looked, and it's a conditioner. Usually I have to do a million pumps of conditioner to get it all over my hair like this, and it just took a few pumps. And when I say the hair was feeling soft and manageable, it was instant. So instead of using a wide tooth comb, I'm using my fingers to detangle. And I did not detangle my hair before starting this wash day. So just to show you how easy my fingers are going through this, I mean, you're gonna still have some knots here and there, but for the most part, it was just running through like butter. And I made sure to get the roots to the ends, because we gotta work that conditioner in, and my hair just felt amazing with this product. Now we're going to move on to the H2O Hydration Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. And this mask provides easier detangling and improves manageability. Now for me, and it's optional for a lot of people, I do a deep conditioning once every 2 weeks. It just depends on what your hair needs and the level of moisture, because typically I wouldn't condition and use a mask in the same wash day, but today called for a double hydration. And what I did with this product is, once I got it all over my hair, making sure that I get every single section of my hair, and I do that finger detangling again with this product. And instead of putting it in a shower cap and leaving it in heat for 15 minutes. I decided to leave the product in my hair without heat for an hour. And when I say it penetrated the shaft of the hair and really got in there to add that softness to my hair, it really did. Now, once that's done, I use a microfiber towel to just take out a little bit of the excess water out of my hair. Next, I'm going to use the H2O Hydration Therapy Intense Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner, and this penetrates the hair shaft to provide a lasting moisture. Now, if you have low porosity hair like myself, you want to use very little of this product and really work it in. Then this is my hair after I've done a light finger coil, and the shrinkage is real, but the hair is glossy. It is shining and it is bouncy, and that is all that matters. Now for the final step, I'm using the H2O Hydration Therapy Mineral Rich Hydration Spray. It adds essential moisture and shine to your hair to give that finish and glossy look every single day. Now this is the final results. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the details will be down in the description box below. And I love you guys so much for watching. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.